Most people think that body transformation supplements are the shortcut to a perfect physique, but the truth is, supplements alone cannot give you results if your diet, training, and recovery are not in check. Have you ever spent money on protein powders, fat burners, or pre-workouts and felt disappointed with the results? You're not alone, and that's because the effectiveness of any supplement depends on how you use it, your hormones, metabolism, and overall lifestyle. Some people see results quickly, while others struggle, even with the exact same products, and that's why understanding the science behind supplements is crucial. Think about this. Are you focusing on real food and whole nutrients alongside supplements? Or are you relying on powders to replace meals? Supplements like protein powders, BCAAs, creatine, omega-3s, or vitamins can be incredibly helpful, but they only work as part of a complete plan that includes proper calories, macronutrients, sleep, and stress management. Many beginners make the mistake of chasing the latest trending supplement without understanding their body's needs, and the result is wasted money and minimal progress. For example, fat burners do not magically melt fat. They can slightly boost metabolism, but without a controlled diet and training plan, their effect is negligible. On the other hand, protein intake, strategically timed around workouts and meals, directly supports muscle growth and recovery, which is critical for body transformation. Are you drinking enough water and staying hydrated? Hydration affects nutrient absorption, energy levels, and muscle repair, and it's often overlooked when people rely solely on supplements. Another factor many people ignore is timing. Taking protein, creatine, or other performance supplements at the right time can make a noticeable difference, while random intake reduces effectiveness. Ask yourself, do you know the difference between essential supplements like protein, omega-3s, or multivitamins and non-essential high products promoted online? Many people waste hundreds on trendy powders that have little to no clinical evidence supporting their claims. Gut health also plays a hidden role. Your body can only absorb what your digestive system can handle, so taking multiple supplements without proper digestion, fiber, or co-nutrients reduces the benefits significantly. Stress and sleep are equally important. High cortisol and lack of sleep blunt your body's ability to recover, reduce muscle growth, and slow fat loss, no matter how perfect your supplement stack is. Have you considered how supplements interact with your existing health conditions or medications? Consulting a healthcare professional can prevent negative effects while optimizing your supplement strategy. Many people get discouraged because they don't see results immediately, but sustainable body transformation is about consistency over perfection. Supplements are tools to enhance a plan, not magic bullets. A smart approach is to identify your nutritional gaps, support recovery with protein and micronutrients, manage inflammation with omega-3s and antioxidants, and boost energy safely with pre-workouts or adaptogens if needed. Are you tracking your progress effectively? Even high-quality supplements will feel useless if you don't measure results. Adjust your diet and remain consistent with training. Remember, transformation is a journey. Rushing with extreme supplement stacks, overtraining, or skipping meals often backfires. Start small. Focus on nutrient-rich meals. Choose clinically supported supplements. Prioritize sleep and hydration, and allow your body to respond naturally. What's stopping you from following a balanced supplement strategy? Confusion about which products to buy, lack of time to plan meals, or uncertainty about dosage? Comment below because sharing challenges helps everyone learn. If this video helped you understand how body transformation supplements actually work and how to use them safely, hit like, share this video with someone struggling with their fitness journey, and subscribe to Body Facts for more medically backed, science-driven fitness and health videos. Your transformation is possible, but it requires knowledge, consistency, and smart supplementation, not blind following of trends.